sun-kissed hair, ebony skin, alabaster teeth. Nah. Ivory teeth. Right, that sounds more
Sure,
like
that's
it.
all going there.
Hi, Shores. Boy, you know, I'm here trying to unleash my creativity through poetry, you know.
I don't know, it's what fly up in your head.
You remember that thing I told you about at Devon House? Yes, well, there are a lot of poets there. So they inspired me to write some poetry right now.
Tell me more.
The Ministry of Tourism and Entertainment put on the show, you know, and they had international scouts. So next year I have to be on that show. Because you know I want to bust like Tessan. Remember I was showing it to you on WhatsApp?
Sharon, you know, so my WhatsApp ever popped down.
I have it right here on this, so here you go.
The flowers arranged like
I wanna love ya.
For the first time, spoken word and poetry is being featured by the government. This year we have carried in 4 festivals, spoken word festivals from Europe and the United States. That has never been done to facilitate the intermediaries, to facilitate our talent. Hopefully some will be booked.
Let us fight and claim our freedom because we want our freedom. We want our freedom now!
this is for you. Maybe we can let go of this notion of having to be this and be that and realize that just being is perfect.
Spitting words, let them fly, man, like the birds. Pitching on the ears of the thugs, the nerds, adjectives and verbs. I'm not your worst nightmare. I am here to share because I care. Fed up of the situations that exist from year to year to year. You're here.
We've come to see what's going on in Jamaica culturally and see if there are ways in which we can work with some Jamaican artists, spoken word artists, creative writers, to see if we can work with them in the UK and maybe possibly to get some reciprocal agreement going between some of the tangent authors in the UK.
Last year we had 3 Jamaican performers. We had Lorna Goodison, Tanya Shirley and Jeffrey Philp. What we found was that the Jamaican participants, they more than held their own. So we're here to see what other talent there is in Jamaica.
What we're doing is looking at all the elements of our culture and sort of unearthing it. The last Arts in the Park we focused more on the music. This year we're focusing on the spoken word.
It's a great initiative by the Minister of Tourism and Entertainment. It exposes us to the wider world. They can see persons from all around the world is here, hoping to get a taste of Jamaica and what Jamaicans have to offer.
Poets would have to try to get on a major show and hopefully be seen by someone. Now there's people who are here, they deal with the word by itself. The persons who came have long track records in poetry, in the spoken word, in the arts.
It's hard for a solo artist to be working on your craft as well as thinking about these marketing things. And so if connections and networking can happen at a different level, that can then draw you in, I think it's a very good thing.
You got to show some love from you know some love. Show some love from you know some love.
Those bulging crocus bags trussed up by Wiswis got her back bad. She bobs and weaves these days, twisting her frame like green bamboo in breeze.
Them sound good, Sharon?
Girl, they sound excellent.
I just poets alone did that?
No, man. Remember, me tell you, said I had musicians and I took a walk around the venue and they had play areas for the children and they had lots of Jamaican-based products. So if you're talking about coconuts, earrings, they had artwork, they had everything you need.
That's where you get them earrings from?
Yes, you like it? Yeah.
In the UK we have a stereotype of lots of dub, lots of reggae, and there is that, it's obviously strong, but there's a lot more depth, a lot more very original work, different influences, so very different to what I expected. More women as well, more women artists, I was pleased to see that.
You can clap, you know, we're done.
Good job.
Yes, man. So you see why I need to go up on the show next year.
So wait, you think I can be a poet?
Hey, Miss Doubting Thomas. It's alright. But yeah, we can work on it. Something we might work on earlier.